rabaa inuu encouragement ku sameeyo ardada maaragtay ka barata halkaas xogaa maadaama dadka halkan jooga ay lacag jecel yihiin marka qofka course-kaas dhameeyo jaamacadna ku daro mushaharka ugu badan u qaadan karo waa imisa.
I would like to answer the brother's question about the money. Obviously, some people say we're not motivated by money, but money does help. So, I'm sure I'm not going to mention any names that earn about £400-500 a day. You do the maths. Plus, on top of that, personally, I've worked with people, someone was on £700 a day, and the other person was about almost £900 a day. So I think hisab £900 a day bishi waxa kusoo galaysa taqriiban think about it minus taxes and I kasar adiga. So I'm telling you definitely IT pays lacag badan kusoo ka helaysa. It pays. You get a comfortable life, you go on holiday twice a year, maybe a long haul one and a short haul one.
The salary. Okay. So I heard a lot of numbers from the brother here, and he hasn't even got to the real numbers, So there was a brother here that there was high fives when they heard like £700 a day. But I'm not joking. If you're in the right field at the right time, there is no limit. I work with people that earn £3,000 a day because they're in the right. They are in the right field at the right time, Who last year, how many people got emails with 4 letters in it? GDPR, right? If you had GDPR on your CV, right, doesn't matter how qualified you were. If you had anything that said GDPR on your CV, you were getting calls 5-6 times a day because there was a deadline for getting that project over the line before the government enforced it. So anybody that put GDPR on a CV, no one had heard of GDPR until those emails started. Every IT person, contractor, started putting GDPR on the CV. They went from 300, 400, 500 pounds a day to 700, 800, 9,000, 900, 1,200 pounds a day just because they had GDPR on the CV. Those are the jobs they were going for. And that's what matters. Right place, right time, right skill, and right attitude. So don't worry about your qualifications, just follow the technology and, fake it until you can make it, basically, That's thank you.